This leads us to what we called the horizontal line test. And that says if every horizontal line intersects the graph of a function and if at most one point, then the function is one-to-one. So what the horizontal line will give me, this thing right here, is 1y to 1x. Like the vertical line gives me 1x to 1y. So if I look here, is this guy a one-to-one function? Yes, because the horizontal line only intersects in one place. So this is a one-to-one function. That also means he has an inverse. This guy looks suspiciously like the logarithm. Remember good old logarithm? And he has an inverse, and his inverse is the exponential function. Now this kind of reminds me of, actually he reminds me of x squared flipped upside down and moved up 3 units. So he reminds me of x squared minus x squared plus 3 using transformations. But what do I notice? A horizontal line, more than one place. So this is not a one-to-one function as it stands. And why? Because he fails the HLT, horizontal line test. Now, by the way, what happens in mathematics is this. I can define a one-to-one function. What you will notice is this. If I were to take this function and divide him in half, because he's got a line of symmetry, and I look at the left-hand side and the right-hand side, do the two sides have the same y values? Different x, but same y's. Yeah, one's a mirror image of the other. So I could say, and remember I said it looks like this guy is f of x equals minus x squared plus 3. That's what he looks like. I could say I have a one-to-one function. By taking f of x being equal to minus x squared plus 3, and I will define him only where x is greater than or equal to 0. Now, is he a one-to-one function? Yes. And that's what you see happens. That's why I can say the square root of x is the inverse of x squared. But that's only true when x is greater than or equal to 0.
So does that mean I can have 2 answers?
Yes. Now what happens in trigonometry is then you would say, okay, I want my answer to be on the negative side. So then you'd find your answer on the positive side and then change x.